In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable apps in Task Manager. So once you've opened up your Task Manager, you want to disable a specific app. This is how you do it. We're going to extend this over here. Now, firstly, if you want to disable or end a task that is currently, or an app that is currently running, all you have to do is simply select an app. Let's say you want to shut down Google Chrome right now. You click on it, and then you simply click on End Task up here, and you are going to disable this app and it's going to close down. That is the first option, but if you want to disable apps from opening up when your computer is starting up, you have to go up here to where it says Startup Apps. Click on this, and then in here you can see which status it is for which app. So let's say you want Microsoft Teams to start opening up while my computer starts booting up. I can do this by clicking Microsoft Teams and then clicking on Enable. Now, if you don't want your app to open up when your computer launches, let's say I do not want my antivirus to open up, you simply click on the app, click Disable over here, and you're going to disable the app, and it's not going to open up while your computer boots up.